Did you know that the average cost of repairing a property due to neglect can skyrocket to a staggering $20,000? Yes, you heard that right. It's not just a dent on your pocket, but a blow to your heart when you see your cherished property in a state of disrepair. But fear not, we've got you covered. We are Farmer Brothers Paintworks, your trusted partner in property maintenance, nestled in the heart of Napa Valley. Now you might be wondering, what makes us different? Well, it's our meticulous process of preparation and painting, both exterior and interior. We specialize in high-quality finishes, residential, commercial, and new construction painting. We don't just paint, we breathe life back into your property. Don't just take our word for it, hear it from our satisfied clients. Mary from St. Helena gushes, "Farmer Brothers Paintworks transformed my home. Now it looks brand new, and I couldn't be happier." And John from Yountville raves, "I never thought my commercial property could look this good. Farmer Brothers Paintworks exceeded all my expectations." But it's not just about the aesthetic appeal. It's about maintaining the structural integrity of your property, reducing the risk of costly repairs, and preserving its value. So why wait for your property to deteriorate when you can maintain it with Farmer Brothers Paintworks? Don't let neglect cost you dearly. Reach out to us today. We will give you a no-obligation estimate and help you restore the glory of your property. After all, we believe that every property deserves to shine, and we are here to make that happen. Remember, at Farmer Brothers Paintworks, we don't just paint, we care.